This earthquake is minor compared to others around the world. It's still a big deal for our area.
Yes, it is. Yeah. Kayla Strayer joins us now live in the newsroom to tell us about the science behind this morning's quake. Kayla.
Good evening. So to break it down very simply for you, we have this rubber band. Think of what happened today as stretching a rubber band too far. When that happens, it's going to snap. And that is what happened to the rocks today in the East Tennessee seismic zone.
UTC's professor of geology, Dr. Jonathan Meese, shows us how they measure earthquakes using the university's seismometer.
It measures motions in 3 directions simultaneously.
Green shows vertical vibrations, red measures from north to south, blue measures east to west.
We can characterize 3-dimensionally how the ground is moving.
Today's 4.4 magnitude earthquake wasn't big by any means, but it definitely got people talking.
If you're not experienced in earthquakes and you feel an earthquake, you'll be confused.
Dr. Meese says the earthquake happened 6 miles underground with the epicenter between Knoxville and Chattanooga.
The rocks deformed, they stretched and stretched until they stretched beyond their limit.
Then they rebounded, causing many in this widespread area to feel it.
That snap you feel and you hear is the energy also that was released from this earthquake.
People tend to dismiss the hazards of an earthquake in our area since we don't feel them often, Dr. Meese says, but use today as a lesson to stay prepared because a big one could come.
When it happens, the consequences are going to be very serious.
And obviously there isn't much you can do, but one thing he does recommend, just know the best place in the buildings that you spend the most time in to take shelter. And he also tells me that the East Tennessee seismic zone is one of the most energetic east of the Mississippi River. So it's a pretty big deal. He'll be using today's data to help his students learn. Reporting in the newsroom, Kayla Strayer, News Channel 9.
Thank you, Kayla. Hundreds of you reached out to us on social media reacting to the earthquake. And we'll